Hey friends, we're going to change the headlight bulbs in my 2012 Volvo S60 T5. If you've got a Volvo S60, this is perhaps the easiest thing to fix on your car. I have a video of how to change taillight bulbs as well, also super easy. Come on in here and we'll get a look at it. This is almost a toolless operation. The only thing easier on this car to change than the headlight bulb is the engine air filter, which all you have to do is remove these two Phillips head screws. Gotta love people with Honda Civics and fart can mufflers. But you just take out these two screws right here, this tray pops out, and that's your engine air filter. Is like right there. It's super easy. Anyway, let's get in here and do this. This is the best part of it, the whole thing. As you can see, there's no way you can get your hand behind here to change these bulbs. So Volvo built these guys, pull sticks with little metal rings. The metal rings face the rear of the car. There's one there, there's one there. Put those aside. The entire head, if you can grab it down here at the point first, wiggle it till it gets a little bit loose. Get the point to come out first instead of the back. The entire headlight assembly comes out like this. And here's where your only tool comes into play. You can zoom in on this. You need a Torx, I think that's a T. You see the T number on there, Aiden, with your eyes?
T20.
T20 Torx bit. You just have to loosen these screws. You don't have to take them out. I've been taking them all the way out, and you don't need to do that, I don't believe, so just loosen them up. Alright, they're loose. This little plastic cover, although you may have to get it loose enough for this thing to pick up right here, and you do, so maybe that's why I've been taking it all the way out. This is the second time I've changed the bulbs. Yeah, what the heck. Don't lose those things, friends and neighbors. Yeah, the back one popped out too. What the heck. Even if you take them out, oh, I just dropped one. Just take them out. They're no big deal to take out anyway. Do not lose those screws. Oh, this one fell right there. Alright, little back plate comes off. It's made to where they're supposed to be able to, if you can pick up that front one, slide it out, but whatever. Low beam is the one that's easier to get at. This is a H11 is the type. You know, just like most of these bulbs that are this way. 1/8 of a turn counterclockwise. The whole bulb assembly pops out like this. A little grippy clip on the back. Just undo it, and there's your dead bulb. Let me sit this up here, grab my new bulb. Okay. Here's the new bulb, H11 type, as I said before. If you don't know this, do not under any circumstances touch the glass of that bulb with your fingertips. There's a little clip, there's a little notch, just line them up, snap them together. Putting this thing back in is just the reverse of how it went in. Just start it over. Also, don't break your bulb. Nice and easy. Start it in, twisted to the left, 1/8 of a turn. There's little tabs. Once they go in, once you twist it to the right, it will lock into place. If the auto parts store guys sold me the right bulb, let's make sure. 3 tabs on this one. Yeah, it looks the same. Alright, let's get it in. Oh, I can actually see the tabs. It looks like the fatter one is right here. Oh, you can just pause it even. So I figure out what. Alright, you can see that. You can line up those tabs. There's 3 tabs in there, and there's 3 gaps. You go in. You can line them up just right, it'll pop in there. Oh, hang on, let me put on my glasses, that might help. There you go. Push it until it'll go in flat, and then just twist it back until it kind of snaps into place. That's changed the bulb. Throw a little cover back on. Well, mine has a hole in it. I swear, I think somebody drilled this out. But anyway, there's a plastic piece that sticks up here, and there's a space, there's a hump in the thing, so that just goes over the hump. Put your torque screws back in. Like I said, it's made to where you're supposed to be able to just loosen them and then slide it out, but whatever. They come in and out pretty easy. And actually, I've done this operation yesterday. Actually, when this bulb burned out, I had an old one I just put in just long enough to go to the hardware store, auto parts store, and I think I changed that bulb out in about 3 minutes. For some reason today, this thing wanted to be fiddly coming in and out, so not really sure what's up with that. Anyway, don't lose your bits. Don't let them roll off into the. Okay, anyway, getting this thing in, it just, like I say, it goes back in easier than it comes out. As you can see, that's it. These two sticks are different lengths. The shorter one goes in the front, and zoom in right here. You can get a shot of this. See, there's these holes these things go in, right? So it just goes right down in the hole. The longer one, like I said, the metal tab space to the back. This one goes in there. And friends and neighbors, that's it. That's all there is to it. Hope this was helpful to you. If it was, hit the like button. See you next time.